Hello everyone, myself Ashok Sharma and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this today's video, we are going to understand question number 3 of exercise 7.2 of chapter number 7, that is triangles of class 9th maths. Before starting the discussion, I would like to request for getting all my maths videos directly to your mobile phones, please subscribe my channel. And now today's question. Let us understand the meaning of the statement, what is given to us and what is to be obtained by us. Let us understand this first and then we will proceed the solution. Okay. So according to the statement, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is triangle ABC, which is an isosceles. That means the two sides of this triangle are equal to each other. Next one, in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. This is altitude BE, which is drawn on the side AC, and this is altitude CF, which has been drawn on the side AB. AB and AC, the equal sides. And what we have to show, show that these altitudes are equal. Which one? Altitude BE, altitude CF, they are equal to each other. It is to be proved by us. Okay. So first of all, let us write down what is given in the statement of the question given. In this statement, we can see we have in triangle ABC, first of all, the two sides AB and AC, they are equal. Second one, next, this BE, it is perpendicular on the side AC, and the altitude CF, it is perpendicular on the side AB. So this is all about the given. The three values, the three information which are given, AB and AC, they are equal. Altitude BE, it is on side AC, and altitude CF, it is on the side AB. Okay. And now come to the proof. What we have to show, we have to write down here, we have to show that the two altitudes, that is altitude BE and the altitude CF, they are equal to each other. It is to be proved by us. Because there is no need to write down any type of construction, so we will go to the last step of the solution, that is proof. And now identify the two triangles which can be proved congruent to each other, so that we may get the two altitudes equal to each other by CPCT. So first of all, this BE, it is the part of the triangle ABE, and similarly this CF, it is also the part of the triangle ACF. Let us first draw these two small triangles individually so that we can understand what we have for proving these two triangles, and if there is some point which we have to bring ourselves, we can identify from there. So first of all, this is triangle ABE, and the second one, this triangle, it is AC and F. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degrees. Suppose from the main figure, angle E means angle 1, angle F means angle 2. So this is angle 1, this is angle number 2. Also, we can see this angle A, it is present in both of these triangles. Angle A, it is the part of triangle ABE as well as it is the part of triangle ACF. And now from these two triangles, let us try to find out the three components of these two triangles which are equal to each other. First one, because AB and AC, these two sides are equal. Why? Because it is already given. This triangle ABC, it is an isosceles triangle. So AB and AC, these two are equal. Next one, this angle 1 and angle 2, they are equal to each other because each of these two equal to 90 degree. Why? Because BE and CF, they are the altitudes. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, each equal to 90 degree. Third and the last point will be angle A equals to angle A. It is the common angle of these two triangles. So which property, which rule we can use now to prove these two triangles congruent? Angle side. By AAS congruence criteria, these two triangles can be called congruent to each other. So let us start to write down the steps. So in triangle ABE and the second triangle ACF, The three components which we have already discussed, you can say, will be written now. AB equal to AC. Why? Because it is given in the statement of the question. Next one, this angle 1 equals to angle 2, each equals to 90 degree. We can say it is also given. When altitudes are given, it means angles of 90 degree are also given. And also we can say this angle A equals to angle A because it is the common angle of these two triangles. And as we have already mentioned, this triangle ABE now can be called congruent to the another triangle ACF by angle side rule. Because we are using two angles and one side, the side which is not including side, that's why we have written angle side. Okay, so using this angle side congruence criteria, these two triangles are congruent now, and therefore by CPCT the two parts, the remaining this side BE and CF of these two triangles can be called equal to each other. BE equal to CF by CPCT. That's all. So this is the final result. We can see it's a very small question. So one more time, what is this? It is triangle ABC in which it is given that AB and AC, these two sides are equal, as well as BE, it is altitude on side AC, and CF, it is altitude on side AB. And what is to be proved? It is to be proved by us that these two altitudes BE and CF, they are equal to each other. And in the proof we can see in these two separate small triangles we can identify the three required components. In these two triangles AB and AC are equal because it is given. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 because each of these two equal to 90 degree because there are two altitudes BE and CF. That's why these two angles are of 90 degree each. And similarly this angle A equals to angle A because these are the common angles. This angle A is present in both of these triangles. That's why we have to say it is the common angle. And then after using angle side congruence criteria, we can say these two triangles are congruent. And if they are congruent, their corresponding remaining parts will also be equal. So we have taken BE and CF, the two altitudes, they are now equal by CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Okay, so this was all about this question number 3 of exercise 7.2. I am sure all of you have understood this solution very well, very logically. Okay, so we will meet in some next video with some next question. Till then, all the best.